Nababaw ka balen? Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga. For today's vlog guys, it's around 9:30 in the morning. Grabe, we were so delighted. Ang sarap ng feeling. So yeah, we're gonna go inside. Let me give you a quick tour. Tara! Yun, so as soon as you enter dito sa the cabin, you'll notice it has a open area, good for, you know, small activities, events, mga ganyan. And then meron tayong swimming pool, very suitable for kids. Don't expect it to be, you know, really deep, parang babad-babad lang, ganon. Alright. The main structure natin, you'll notice it's an A-frame house or A-house tinatawag nila. So sa baba, when you enter, you'll be greeted with living area, a dining table, meron din, good for 6. And then meron tayong room dun sa baba, so good for elderlies. You go upstairs dun sa loft, meron tayong 4 beds, 8 to 10 persons siguro, pwede yun. Then again, you're gonna enjoy it, you're gonna love the way it was finished, ganyan. This is how it looks like during the night. Ang ganda ng ano natin dito, ambience, no? So you have your aduyan, meron tayong string lights under the moon. Yun. So yun. This is how it looks like during the night, during the evening. Very, very romantic. And sarap ng hangin. Sarap ng simoy ng hangin, malamig, tahimik. Alright, so that was it. That was our staycation dito po sa The Cabin by Olivas Private Resort. So we would like to thank them for inviting us. So if you're looking for these kinds of, you know, vacation rentals, properties that you want to hold your events or even have a family getaway, chill, check them out. Located po sila dito sa may Pandacaqui, Mexico, Pampanga. If you want to book and know the rates, message po yung fan page that we're gonna be including in this post. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hope to see you in the next one. Until then, peace out. Bye guys.